Qualify the client's pain or problem by determination of area. So your case is going to give you pretty much what area is the problem. Okay? But you want to, in between that and relates the client's problems to pre-morbid functional activities, you want to have a conversation with them. I hurt my shoulder because I fell down. Do you know why you fell? What made you fall? Was it, did you get dizzy and fall? Did you trip over something? What made you fall? That's important information, wouldn't you think? How does that limit you? How does that keep you from doing what you need to do on a daily basis? What do you wish you could do that you can't do right now? Because our job is to get them back to being as functional as possible, right? So yes, we want to increase range of motion. Yes, we want to increase strength, but why? That's that functional piece. Okay? You've got to always relate it back to whatever it is that they want. Okay? This isn't about you. This is about them. What is it that they need to be able to do? Okay? Questions on that so far? I'm going to show you a case here in a minute, and we're going to work on what our worksheet might look like and talk more about what a soap note needs to contain. Okay, so this is the free-form portion of the program. Okay, what's going to happen is, remember I told you you're going to be given 4 skills to demonstrate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down, what that skill is. Okay? And then I'm going to make notes on your performance of that skill. And I'm going to decide on a point value based on that. Okay? So we're going to look at, do you select the appropriate technique? Do you follow the established plan of care? Do you correctly administer the procedure? So if I ask you to muscle test something, are you positioning properly? Do you do it properly? Do you get a reasonable answer? Okay? And are you able to modify a technique according to a client's response as appropriate? Okay, so if I want to know about shoulder flexion strength, and I say, okay, can you show me how high you can raise your arm? And you're like, and I have them sitting up. What are you going to do? Change position. Yeah, change position so that you're taking gravity away so that you can see if they've got more function in that. Okay? All right. That's what I'm looking for. So, like I said, this is a form that we use across the spectrum of all of your courses. That's all the harder it gets right now. Okay, the whole goal here is not for you to answer every question about the patient. It's for you to answer the 4 questions that I give you. Okay? So our goal here is to bring a couple of skills over from the other class. So that's going to be your blood pressure and your heart rate and your ability to write a SOAP note. The rest of it is really testing your skills in manual muscle testing and range of motion measurement. We're putting it in the context of a treatment so that you have to start making it real. Okay? Because if we don't start making it real, you'll just go through the motions and say, oh yeah, I got this. And academically you do. But physiologically you haven't internalized how you do things. Okay? This program is so much about hands-on, let's do it. Okay?